right, we are back, day 3. We've got 4 guys here, Brennan, Jason, Boley, and myself. We are going to wrap up and completely finish this main falls with the upper pooling area, the splits, the pooling areas, the edges, get our plumbing run up and connected to that spillway, button all this up so we can back our machine over and start working on that secondary waterfall, which is positioned way off on that left side. So we still got a bunch to do, but we got these guys here. We are ready to crush this today. So you guys hang on, see what comes out.
Right now, Boley is hooking up the spillway. Let's go see how he's installing it. All right, so to start this flow of water on this 19-foot pondless waterfall, we are using one of Aquascape's 22-inch spillways. That makes sure that there's going to be a watertight seal through the liner and make an even flow of water to start the waterfall. Right now, what our plan is to have this top liner area be a large pooling area. So what Boley's done so far is he's dug under the liner in the ground so that the spillway can sit flush with our excavation grade for where the rock's going to be. This will create an effect to make it look like the water's just pooling up as if it would out of a natural spring. The first thing that Boley did is he put a piece of cover tape on the liner. This ensures that when we make our cut to attach the liner in between the fittings on the spillway, that it never tears or rips. In order to make sure that he had a perfect cut, he took off that threaded fitting that you see right there that comes on the back of the spillway, and he traced along the liner with his knife. He then cut through to make sure that that was a perfect 2-inch wide circle cut. That way our 2-inch plumbing can connect right through it. That was the hard part. As you can see, all that was left to do after that was just squeeze the liner in between the fittings on the spillway so that just like a bulkhead, the gas gets inside the liner and it squeezes the liner, making that watertight seal. Now we're ready to get rocking.
I don't know, does it look like we're sweating?
I think it does. I think they can tell.
Holy moly, it's hot. But you know what? We're making progress, right?
That's right. We're making that progress, like Drew just said.
Considering how hot it's been, we have been pushing through to get almost the entire main waterfalls complete with pooling areas, edges, outcropping stones. We've got our light boxes or junction boxes on the side. Those two are ready to be hooked up. Just gonna be running a few more lights from this secondary waterfall. So we want to hold off before we make our final connections in there. But then it's almost time to rinse this down. We'll bring some mulch tomorrow. But man, this is taking such an incredible shape. I am so excited to come back tomorrow and finish this so we can reveal it not only to the customer but to you guys at home. This one is super cool. And the customer came out before, she said it's so cool to watch the transformation occurring, because when we explain the design and come and spray paint it out first, it's difficult to really conceptualize this as a 3D feature. Because, you know, everything's two-dimensional on the ground, but now we've got elevation, we've got drops, we've got turns, we've got big boulders, small boulders, gravel, everything mixed together. So it's really taking an awesome shape, and I think she loves it already. She's already talking about putting in different kinds of plants and stuff. So this thing, once planted and mulched up, is really gonna look incredible. hose is running, so that means we are rinsing it down. We've got to get a little bit more topsoil in here, finish connecting our lights, give this a super bath, because this gravel that we used is covered in silt. So we're gonna rinse this down, pump it out, rinse it down again, and then hopefully by then it's clean enough where we can then fill it with fresh clean water and get this thing ready to turn on. I've already started rinsing this down here. We're checking all our pooling areas to make sure that they're holding water, and it is. The one up there we need to touch up a little bit, but what it's gonna do, it's gonna be holding this water level in there before it spills over the bottom. Up here, you can see clean rocks, dirty rocks, clean rocks, dirty rocks. See, when you start to wash them off, you get all these beautiful patterns and colors. This has got blues and grays and slates and whites, all just how it's striped in like this. This is such a cool rock to have right by the last waterfall into the basin here. What an awesome selection. These other rocks over here have got some cool moss and lichen growing on them. And then all the way up there, just all the different rocks that were used. There's big ones, small ones, round ones, flat ones. They all just kind of fit cohesively together. It is going to be a spectacular falls to see that turn on and coming around that big rock, splashing real fast, a big rush of water over those two falls into this pooling area and then over that next spillway. Lots of water moving through here. Again, you'll be able to walk across with that rock there set in the middle, and then it just fills up this pooling area coming right on into the basin below. This little tributary falls here is going to be such a nice accent. Again, visual from her bay window was important, so the way it was positioned to give the most view from that window. Then it's just kind of a little stream bed just kind of trickling all the way down all these rocks through the gravel over those spillways and then making its way down into the basin as well. So still a bit to do, but man, this thing is coming together beautifully. All right, that is a wrap on this project. Let me know what you guys think of that in our comments below. If you haven't done so already, come back every week, hit that subscribe button. Little bell goes off when we post up a new video. But check this one out. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments. We'll see you on the next one. Turn these all the way up to 10.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait. OMG. Wow. That's amazing. Just amazing. Wow. It just came together so beautifully. Wow. Amazing. I love it. And I love this. So I can step out, right? Wow. That is one serious water feature. Oh my gosh. Oh, and thanks for the plants. That's good. Wow. So it comes to me in ways now. If I could show you how it starts, it's the colors from your heartbeat brightly. It's when I see you in the stars. Amazing, amazing. I love the way it sounds too. Wow. That's phenomenal. Holy cow. Oh, and look at the rocks, how pretty. The stripes on that.
The different colors.
Wow.
Yes.
It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Beyond my expectation, really. It's amazing.
That's good.
I'm speechless.
When I glance you from the north face, it's from the space between the waves that brings me high. away.